Guys, here's your boy Kev. Right now we're on our way, matter of fact, not my way, on our way, because I'm with my brother Danny. We're on our way right now. We're on our way to my boy's shop in Danbury. We're gonna go put the suspensions for Gloria because it came in, so he's gonna do it. He got a S13, well, he got a 180 Sylvia. We'll go see. So we just arrived to my boy's shop. We're here. We're about to open these things. I'm recording everything. Did they send me at least a shirt or something? I got a sticker. Instrucciones. You just painted it? Right now? That's it? Bubble wrap! And what the fuck is that? Styrofoam. Yo, don't say that. Don't jinx it, bro. Don't jinx it. That's the rear one. Hey.
Ninja.
So right here is the final look. She is lowered. I am so happy how she looks. I did order wheels. My suspension was shot, so it doesn't matter. Thank God I got coilovers. Look at her. Let me wind. There we go. Then here's Jay's car. Once my wheels come, mount the tires and then come back, get it calibrated again, make it work. She looks nice.